But first, we're gonna check out.
It's kind of late. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So.
Oh, he got smacked. Oh, let me go. Oh, hey, you banana. Banana. You like banana? Oh, hey, let me do it. Let me do it. We have a little monkey right there. And I can play. Okay, so. Hey, do you want to play? Hey, catch something so good. I dare you. I get the dog. Why God?
That one.
I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I got it too. Hey. Oh, we're brothers. Hey, yo. Hey, we got it also. Yo, we're brothers.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're brothers, dude. Down here and take.
Where are you guys?
Open. The new update is close to open. Hey, let's some ball them. Let's some ball. Hi, John Pumps. Oi. Hey, guys, let's go. Let's go. Hey, wait for me, dude.
Okay.
Dude, okay, let's go. Let's start.
Level 11.
To the other.
I'll do level 11.
Oh, that was all. Wait. Nobody's gonna be in my video. Where are you guys?
I'm right here.
Okay, Open's in. So let's go.
Yay.
Hey, buddy, ready? We take
God.
the side.
Oh.
It's Monkey Marathon. It's Monkey Marathon and
He's glitched.
almost Monkey Marathon, okay,
He's
guys?
glitched.
Guys, level 4 Monkey Marathon.
Oh, he's not glitched. He's not glitched. I was wrong.
No, Nick.
No, level 1.
Mr.
We're doing level 1.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
And my extender's on. I found a way to
Let's
tighten
get
it.
the Monkey Marathon. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Hey, let the YouTuber go close. Oh,
Yeah, I'm a
damn,
YouTuber. Oh my god.
Hello, dude, I'm dead. Are we doing Monkey Marathon? Hello, guys, I'm making a video. My name is Markiplier, and welcome back. I'm making a video also.
Same.
Good Markiplier impression, but it doesn't matter, though. Oh my god. Rabbit. This is going on. Guys, go that way. Okay, Monkey. It was a platform game. Everybody.
Use some of this. Use some of this. iPhone.
Go.
Don't
Run
go.
the wrong way. This way.
I'm not.
Man, there's so many.
Oh my god.
Right here.
So there once was one time. Actually, my lawyer advised me not to say this, so never mind.
Hey, but
Oh.
you okay?
Nah, bro.
No safe zone, guys. No safe zone.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a short video because my headset's on low power. So we're gonna beat level. Okay, so I have a big.
It went through it.
I'm so bored. Why am I so bored? Okay, we're gonna beat level 2 and then I'll stop. No, I don't want to do this spot. Oh. Okay, I have to end the video like.
Hey, say